Where does the name for Garreg Fawr come from? So today I'm just outside Tremerchion in Denbighshire, and this hill behind me is called Garreg Fawr. Let's get into the name. So the name's made of two parts. First we have Garreg, which is the soft mutation of Carreg, which means a stone. Now why is it soft mutated? Because originally it would have had the word before it, which means the. So the stone. Fawr is the soft mutation of Mawr, which means big, and it's soft mutated because the word Carreg is a feminine noun. Now, Garreg Fawr is associated with a small Catholic chapel, which was associated with St Beuno's Seminary, which is located just near it. So the name means the big rock. Anyway, diolch, thank you. Give us a like, give us a share and give us a subscribe, and if you want to support me on my quest to explain every place name in Wales, you can on my Patreon, the link's in my bio. Diolch, have a good one.